Everyone, my name is Asrita and I'm studying 6th concept in Ratnam English Medium High School. The topic is how to change our way of thinking. Positive thinkings give into hope. It make life happy. Positive mind solution. Positive mind solution problems. Solution problems. It remove fear. It remove fear. For example, I go one shop. I go one shop. I go one shop. I go one shop. I buy one book. I buy one book. She cost price 100 rupees. I give 200. Change didn't give means. I ask why give change didn't give means. I ask forget she. Why forget why I give 8 to 10. This is positive thinking. Negative thinking means 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 negative negative thinking means negative thinking means I bigly shout and why don't giving money. I ask means she think she girl she bigly shouting. I think she think don't think negative thinkings. No, don't think negative thinkings. Think positive thinkings. Positive thinkings. Thank you.